we know that a square plus b square is equals to c square, and we know that this is called Pythagorean theorem. But why this is true? So today we are going to look at the proof of it. So I'm going to show you a geometric proof using which we can see why a square plus b square is c square. So what I'm going to do is draw a triangle 4 times. Draw this triangle 4 times, 90 degree, and now I'm going to flip it. So this becomes B now. Okay, B, this is B, and I'm going to flip it there also. And so this triangle is going to become like this, this is A, because we flipped it like this and placed it here. Okay, now you can see here that since this length is B, this length is E, this is C. Okay, and what I'm going to do now is make another triangle up here, A, and B length on this side. So this is going to be again C. I'm gonna do the same here, B, A. I hope that's clear. I just take a triangle, place it here, and here. Okay, now this angle CA plus this angle BC is equals to 90 degree. Okay, so CA plus BC is 90 degree. CA BC, this plus this is 90, so this must be 90. Okay, hence all these are 90 degrees with the same logic. So this area is C square, and it is equals to, there are 4 triangles here, and this length is A plus B, A plus B, A plus B. So A plus B square, and we subtract the area of these 4 triangles. So 4 into the area of this triangle will be half into A into B. So half into base into height. So C square is A square plus B square plus 2AB minus this cancels 2AB. C square is equals to A square plus B square.